So this is your account here, yeah?
Yeah,
The one that you passed, and then I've got
that's
the
right.
current one here as well. So yeah, I mean, really, it's just we do these trader interviews just to gather a little bit more information about the trader, their style, and what sits behind the account. Because obviously we can see the account information, but it's always nice to know a little bit more about the trader. So where are you trading from, yeah? So where in the world are you?
I'm in Southampton in the UK,
Okay.
and obviously I've got my own business, so I do a lot of trading while I'm at work
Okay.
on the move.
How long have you been trading?
A couple of years.
Right. Okay. And have you used other prop firms before, or have you just used your own capital, or how have you gone about learning?
I started off with my own capital, and
Yeah.
I did do a bit of stuff with FTMO. I just didn't get on with them. They're nothing like you guys, really, to be honest. And you don't really have the one-to-one relationship. You don't feel like you're looked after. You feel like a number.
Right.
That's what I felt with them.
Okay. And what would you say your main trading style is then, for the account that you've passed here?
It's swing trading,
Right.
and divergent trading, really.
So holding trades for more than one day, or
Yeah. So and they're generally they're multi-time frame. It works across all the time frames, but it tends to be from the 4 hour to the weekly and anything in between.
Right. Okay. Well, I mean, it all looks really good. This account here. Obviously, total deals 57, profit deals, loss deals. So the average loss obviously is far greater. The risk to reward all looks on point. Profit factor looks great. So regarding symbols or the assets that you trade, is there any that you kind of hone in on, focus on, or is it just a case of?
No, it's just a core watch list, really. There is indexes and things like that I could do in futures, but obviously I can't do that with you guys yet.
Yeah. What other instruments do you trade then apart from Forex?
The Dow and at the S&P, a few different things like that, really. Oil is another one.
Okay. Yeah.
Especially Brent. We tend to do quite a lot with Brent crude.
Yeah. So regarding your trading plan then, so is there like a process, a strict process that you've followed in terms of actually passing getting to a level 2 trader?
Yes.
How does that look?
So we look for conditions that are relevant to the able method that I use, or the swing trading method. And once we sort of get some conditions met, we look across, we do multi-time frame analysis, look for targets, look for entries, see if the bias is still the same. It runs off of swing points as well, so you sort of do have to find these other confluences to ensure the setup's correct. We use multiple indicators.
Yeah.
I use multiple indicators. So I use an array of MAs. I use Bollinger Bands, a MACD and RSI. And
wow, okay.
Yeah, we use quite a lot, really, but it's all things that help me for entries, targets, and finding out what price action is going to be doing.
Right. Okay. And I suppose you're looking to cross correlate them and look for the crossover points with the moving averages and that sort of thing.
Yeah,
or,
I mean,
or is it using them as support and resistance, or how do you go about doing that?
We're finding swing points and things like that. Divergence mostly. It's divergent trading, I'd say.
Okay.
By the MACD and various other things. And sort of cross effects analysis comes into it as well.
Right. Yeah, I can see there's all of the trades have got stop losses on as well, which is always good
always
to see.
Use the stop loss, and I always only risk 1%, never higher. Sometimes I'll do 0.5%. So if I was in drawdown, I tend to use 0.5% risk, but I wouldn't take a trade unless it was 2 to 1R.
Yeah.
And that way you'd make your percent back.
Yeah, that's some of the other traders who have been very profitable, gone through the levels. Sometimes they'll even go below the 0.5%
Mhm.
And it just allows for more skill to be involved rather than just
Yeah.
trying to bank that one or two trades and then get back into the winning streak. So yeah, would you say you've got a favorite instrument to trade, or is it a favorite pair, or the majors, or is it just a case of you've got a big watch list and you're looking for best opportunities? Or
I did have a big watch list. I didn't really have a favorite pair at the time, but I condensed my watch list, and then I started finding that I was learning how pairs are acting, and I could be on top of what's going on, where they are throughout
yeah,
the week, months, whatever it may be. So I wouldn't say I got a favorite, but I condensed my core watch list to make just a few majors, really.
so new trader coming through. Obviously, we've got many traders who are kind of either just break even, maybe perhaps in slight drawdown. So what would you say to like the new traders that are coming through? Would you say that they need to focus more on risk management, psychology, technical analysis? What do you think the most important part is?
I'd start with risk management as a
Yeah,
must. Definitely stop losses. Um, Psychology is probably your next biggest thing. Don't get caught up with FOMO. Don't get
yeah,
scared of losing trades, because everyone has to lose trades. No one has a 100% record.
no,
But trade accordingly, and have a plan for if that happens before you even start. Have a plan for what happens. What can you do if you're going to drawdown? What can you do when you're out of drawdown? You're close to the end. And stick to your plan. That's all I can say. Because as soon as you deviate from your plan, I find that everything changes.
yeah, yeah. No, I agree.
And if
Um,
you can, I know it takes longer, but even just stick to the one or two pairs in the beginning. You can
yeah,
make more than that than you can chasing setups over 10, 20 pairs.
yeah. There's loads of traders that I know who've come through. Traders from personal experiences who literally just trade 1 to 3 pairs, and
Yeah.
it's not like they're capping their opportunities. They're still able to find so many good entries, because if you actually break it down, like the profit target that we've got is 10% in order to get the double equity, double
That's
amount of
right.
capital. So if you was to break that down, even if you was to do, let's say that over 2 month period, and you break that down to 5% you want to gain per month, and then you break that down to the weekly, you only really need to be looking for a few setups really per week in order to actually obtain that. So as
That's
long
right. And
as
I think that where you guys allow, I'd say, a reasonable amount of time, don't rush to get your percentages, because that helped me a lot when you guys said that with the whole time frames. And I think wait for the right setups and go for them.
yeah,
Let let it come to you. Don't chase it.
yeah, yeah. So what would you say your goals would be in terms of moving forward then? Is it just to continue trading prop firms like ours, or is it you want
I'm
to
going
be
to
a
continue
professional trader
my plan
personally? Or
is to continue trading with you guys. I'm going to further my education with able trading, and um, I'm hoping by early next year I will be trading full time. So I find I'm a lot better when I've got more time on it. Obviously, at the moment, I'm running my own business alongside trading, so I'm just going to make moves. I'll get to the last stage of this account, and then I'll open another one with you, and then I'll be going full time from there.
yeah, cool. I mean, we look forward to that. Obviously, we want to see all of our traders winning and doing better and get going through those levels. I mean, we've got the structure in play where it's quite a good structure for a trader to come through, and obviously the profit targets are fairly reasonable on the low risk program.
Yeah.
And yeah, just keep on doing what you're doing, and hopefully we can come out of the drawdown on the new account.
Yeah. See, that doesn't worry me. Again, you just can't lose your mind. So what I've done, because of the
No,
volatility this week, I've just decided not to trade, and I will wait for my opportunity, and then I'll come out of it with my strategy that I've got in my mind and my plan.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think the current like sort of work-life balance that you've got at the moment, where you say you want to spend more time trading, once you perhaps go full time or spend more time trading. Sometimes even having not inputting all of your time into trading, just spending, let's say, 1 to 2 hours per day flicking through the charts is all you really need. I found from experience, if you start spending too much time actually analyzing from technical analysis point of view, it can get a little bit messy, and you can start overcomplicating things. Yeah, you start seeing things that aren't there, and then it can perhaps go a little bit south from there. But yeah, I think the performance from the level 1 account has been fantastic, and yeah, I think I look forward to seeing more from you, and keep on trading how you're trading. Is there any other questions you've got from you?
Not really, not at the moment.
You're happy with how everything's going?
Yeah, I'm happy with everything you guys do. You're very easy to get hold of. I do like the fact as well that you guys have got the 24/5 support, which you don't really get with other prop firms.
Okay.
You're stuck to office hours. I mean, I've had it before where I didn't read the rules and I traded an exotic I shouldn't have. But I had written a message expecting to be picked up in the morning. I had someone there and they dealt with it straight away. I had my account back up and running.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
You know,
that's
and
good
I
to
like
hear.
that.
Yeah.
I feel like you guys know us. You ring up, you know, you're referred to by your name. Everyone knows who you are straight away. There's this sort of a one-to-one relationship going on, and I felt with other prop firms, you're a bit of a number, and they don't know you. They don't get back to you. Sometimes you can only write through automated services on emails. It doesn't really work out properly. So yeah, and that's why I'm willing to work with you guys for now on.
Yeah, and now you're a level 2 trader. Obviously, you know, if you do get into profit, and you can just request a withdrawal anytime. There's no need to wait until the next period if you did want to split it up over. And then as you continue to go through the next levels, it's a nice probably idea to do that, to obviously reward your efforts. And that's what we want to be doing with all of our traders, constantly rewarding all of their efforts when they keep on going through all of the trading levels. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, I hope everything picks up with your new account, and we can get to that next level.
Excellent, thank you, mate.
All right, cheers, Chris.
Take care. Catch up soon.
Yeah. See ya. Bye.